everybody, it's me, Bria. In this short video, I'm going to share with you how to harvest hydroponically grown lettuce and tomatoes.
Okay, Bria, you want to get that tomato right over there? Thank you for being careful.
Thank you.
Look, right over there. There's some on the far right to you. Look up. Look up. You see those? Can you reach it? Get the step stool.
Kind of, I guess.
I want you to yank it on the plant.
My tippy toes are my step stools.
Okay.
Ooh,
Hurry,
nice.
hurry.
Is there any more?
Well, it's kind of orange. Don't pick it early, baby. We got plenty of time. And we're gonna harvest all the lettuce right in here. Because it's the same thing I did. You're gonna lift it up.
Like this?
The bottom. And you're gonna cut straight across. All the way across that little white basket. Because you see, it's been touching the light. Very good. Come around here so we can see it. Oh, man. Hold it straight across. You got it upside down. Yes. Wow. That is beautiful. Smile, Bria. Wow. That is beautiful. One head of Tom Thumb lettuce. It's actually not a head. It's a loose leaf. Very good. Now you pull the leaves off closest to the bottom.
Yeah.
That's what they do in the farms or greenhouses that they grow them in. They take all of that off before they take it to market.
Okay, I'm gonna go wash this lettuce off so my mom can cook this for dinner.
You mean make it for dinner? Because we don't have to cook the lettuce. Very good, but you're learning. All right. Thank you, Bria.
I hope you enjoyed my video, everybody. Thanks for watching. Bye now.